Stop sipping boring shakes, do these metabolism-boosting smoothies instead. Because your blender deserves better. Let's get into it. First up, the green machine. Throw in spinach, kale, a green apple, half a banana, and a scoop of protein powder. The combo of fiber and protein keeps you full and helps your body torch calories. Next, meet the spicy citrus. Blend an orange, half a grapefruit, a pinch of cayenne pepper, ginger, and Greek yogurt. That kick of spice? It wakes up your metabolism and adds a zesty punch. Third, the classic berry blast. Mix a cup of frozen berries, a handful of oats, almond milk, and a spoonful of chia seeds. Berries are full of antioxidants and the oats give you sustained energy for that next workout. Looking for something tropical? Try the pineapple power-up. Pineapple, mango, coconut water, and a scoop of vanilla protein. Bromelain in pineapple helps digestion, keeping things moving and your energy up. Last but not least, the coffee kickstart. Cold brew, banana, almond butter, and a dash of cinnamon. Caffeine and healthy fats team up to boost your burn and keep cravings at bay. Quick tips. Always add a protein or healthy fat to your smoothie. Think nut butter, Greek yogurt, or seeds. This keeps blood sugar steady and helps that metabolism hum. So, next time you're reaching for a snack, blend up one of these metabolism-boosting smoothies. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. Cheers to getting stronger, one sip at a time.